Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to track UK visa application. So what you're supposed to do is you will go to your browser and then you type BFS UK visa tracking application, and then once you have done that, it means that it is going to bring you here, whereby you'll be required to click on this first link where they have said track your application. And then once it has brought you here, you will be required to read some of the instructions. So what I will be required to do here is to put the reference number, which begins with GWF, and then followed by the email address that I use to apply for this visa application. And then from here I'll confirm down here. So I'll be required to enter the number, I've successfully logged in into the system, and what I'm required right now is to check my visa application status. And what I'm supposed to do, I'll come here to track application by clicking here, and then I'll click there once again. So here it has revealed to me how my visa application is progressing. In fact, it has already been submitted and the decision has been received by the UK VI, and then what I'm waiting is for my passport to be collected. That is what you can do with your visa application tracking. And if you want to check more about your passport, you will be required to go to track passport, and then you will click once again there, and here my passport is still in storage. You can see here that these circled dots whereby it needs to be ticked, and once it has been ticked, it means that the passport is ready for collection. As you can see here, they say passport returned to customer, no. Passport awaiting a receipt from customer, no. There's nothing like that, so which means the process is still. So I'm supposed to wait a little bit so that once the whole process is ready, I'll be able to know more about my passport. So guys, this is how you can be able to track your UK visa application online. So if you have any question, you can go on and then ask in a comment section. But if you don't have and you want to be part of my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, hit notification bell, so that when I post a video like this, you'll be able to be notified. Thank you so much for listening and watching. See you in the next video.